How you doing, everybody? This is our 1975 BAJA Bug Project. We picked it up, a year and a half ago. Gonna do a quick little walkthrough of what it is now, and at the end, we'll show what the build progress we're gonna do, or what some of the plans or the first plans are for it. Take a look at it. It's a 1975 Bug. It has a fiberglass front piece. It's a stock front beam with a nice sketchy lift spindle, 2-inch, I assume. I guess that's pretty common for these. The big thing about the car is the front end is kind of sketchy going down the road, so that's what we're going to change the whole front of it and do something a little more off-road friendly. In the end, we may have made some changes to it to make it a little more our taste, a little more usable, and try to get it to drive a little better. What we do know about it is that the motor is supposed to be a 1914 motor. It came with the Lordo, but it wouldn't idle. It did rev to the moon and run really great in top end, but unfortunately my wife likes to drive this car, so we had to make it so it idled and was easier to drive, so we switched it to a EMPI HP Max 40. Take a look at it. It had nice, there's a lot of stuff that was actually pretty nice on it, like this little wing with the oil cooler. We added the fuel fill, added the side steps, the Baja mirrors, and the rear rims that are on it currently. You can see how it's really just a stock front beam. We added shocks and a stabilizer, tried to make it drive a little better, and it really didn't change the front characteristics much. Interesting part about this car is that it actually is sitting on a square tube. The heater channels were replaced with square tube, and the fiberglass piece kind of made it so it was a good starting point. I changed the steering wheel, changed the seats out on it, which will get changed again. Added a shut off and fire extinguisher in it. It's a little ammo can storage, and somebody done a pretty good job starting to put this car together. It just kind of wasn't another project that wasn't quite complete. We made it so it ran and drove, and we've been playing with it a little bit. And of course, first time out, we got a little salty with it, and we broke the transmission, so we had just a Type 1 transmission built for it. Fun not having front brakes, isn't it? And here we are in our super secret warehouse, and figure we go over real quick the plans for the Bug this winter. The Bug is in 1975, so it's currently a ball joint, and we plan to switch it to a link pin front end. We're thinking probably 7 inches. We'll see once we start putting it on what looks good, since we're kind of learning this Bug stuff as we go. The beam we're planning on using is a Pacific Customs 6-over coilover tower beam. We're going to be using a set of Pacific Customs 4x2 trailing arms, set of Foddrill King Kong spindles, a Saco magnum rack with Kartek electric power steering, planning on we got Jamar Pro X hub and brake kit, some Fox 2.0 triple bypass and coilover, a Jamar handbrake, Jamar gas pedal, and we'll finish it off on the front bumper with a set of Baja Design XL lights. So let us know what you think of our part selection, what we're missing, what we should be doing differently, or how much you think the front end should be pushed out. Our information will be helpful. We appreciate it. Thanks. So if you like our builds and shenanigans, please like, subscribe, and comment. It's not warmed up yet.